Guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom labels for the Gatorade sports drink bottles over on Canva. So if you're interested in learning how to make these, make sure you watch the video to the end. If you find the video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't have one already. Now Canva also has a desktop app that you can download to your computer. I think it works for Windows and Apple. I'm on my Windows computer, so I'm working from the app, but you can do the same thing directly from their website. So you want to go to custom design. You want to go to custom size, and you want to put in your measurements. Here are the measurements for the 12 ounce and the 20 ounce bottles. This is the overall label, 8.5 by 2.5, and if you wanted to go ahead and measure out your middle, where you're gonna, the front of your label is 2.5 by 2.5, and this is the 20 ounce. I'm gonna be creating the 12 ounce bottle, but you can follow the same steps in creating your 20 ounce bottle. All right, so now that your blank label is pulled up, this is pretty much your template. It's that simple. Now you can go ahead and measure out the front of your label. That way you know exactly where to place everything that's going to be shown in the front. You can head on over to Elements, go down to Shape, and select your box here. And you want this box to be 2.5 in height and 2.5 across. And you just want to center this. Right, so now that we have created our template, we can get to the fun part and start creating our design. Now what I like to do, I like to duplicate the template just so I can have a fresh template when I need to create another label. You can head on over to your upload tab and upload all of the clip arts and images that you may want to use in your design. Now what I like to do is to create a single label first, save it as an image, and re-upload it and add multiple labels on a full-size sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Right now I'm about to quickly create a design, save, print, and assemble. Stay tuned. Those of you who may be interested in a pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. I include the 12 ounce and the 20 ounce bottle labels. Everything has already been set up for you and ready for you to start designing. I also include a nutrition facts label and a barcode. You can find a link in the description box down below, and at this point in the video, I'm going to be using the template. Before we hop into everything, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to change this template. You just click on each section, go over to your color tab if you want to change the color. If you wanted to add text, you will click here, click on any of these. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, drop me some ideas for future videos you all would like to see on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. You can find the links to all the materials that I use in this video in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye.